think you did rabbit back there. Buddy should go grab. Buddy should grab him for.
Come up, go to your right.
He done shot him over there, y'all.
Go to your right. You see him? Look right down. They finna get him.
He dead over there? You see him? Yeah.
Got him.
They probably overran him. Man, you might as well throw that one in your coat. Unless you get with one of them Brett Favre hands.
Rabbit, they running down there.
They come alive! We got some company, y'all don't know who it is. Huh? Sir? Okay, we'll get them back that way. We was on that big grudge this and they bought it this way, but we'll go back. Thank you, sir. Gotta go back the other way, y'all.
Yeah, we go back the other way.
Right. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Oh, 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 come on, girl. Come on, sir. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, y'all. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, boy. There go the rabbit right there. The rabbit just coming by me. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, sir. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, boy. Come on, hey. Oh, hey, 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 hey. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, y'all. Come on, boy. Sweet, come on, y'all. Oh, 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 oh. Come on here. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, bud. Come on, boy. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Come on, bud. Let's go, boy. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Come on, boy. Come on, bud. Come on here. Ah, come here. Come on. Ah, come here, bud. Come here. Come here, Brian. Come here. Come here. Come on, Brian. Come on, y'all. Come on, Bunny. Huh? I know it. Yeah, I'm trying to put him in the box. Are you? Jet. Come on here. Come here, Jet. Come on, Jet. Come here. Come here. Come here, Jet. Come here. Come here, Jet. Come here. Jet. Come on, Bonnie. Come on, Bonnie. Come on, Star. Come on, Star. Come here. Come on, Star. Come here. Walk him on back then. That's... I could have killed 2 rabbits right there.
Look, rabbit going down the field. On his side. I bet you if Jason walk up there and ask him, he'll let him. Hey, I bet you if Jason ride up there and ask him, he'll let him. If Jason ride up there and ask him, he'll let him. I bet you if Jason get on that field and ride and say, hey.
One of us got him. All I know, one of us got him. Come on. Hey, we some fan joyful. Get back. Get back.
I know mine ain't gonna eat. I told you he was sitting.
Here you are, man. Well, you straight?
Good. Both of us.
Man, hey, he a good hand, son.
Yeah, both of us. I caught him coming sideways.
Hey, and get what? He on camera, Dan. Dan, this sucker rolling. This sucker rolling, boy.
Hey, I think me and you drove up the line. We got quick with it.
Yeah, let's go on back this way before we rough this fella, huh?
If Jason ride up there, he'll let us on.
Yeah.
Man, 2 rabbits just ran behind.
I already know. I seen.
They running all of them down there. You see how thick it is down there?
Yeah. There's a rabbit there, y'all. She done jumped him. Hey, y'all. Hunt this ditch on now. Maybe we'll kill 2 or 3 in here somewhere. All right, that's the same one they walked a while ago, Dan. All of them come through there, but it could be here. We don't want them to go back. Watch the other side. That's there to the edge where you can. I had to shoot across there to get him, but that's why they kind of struck him at and took him. And we're taking him that way, back the way we come. Hey, y'all. Hey,
you know that tail end that hold that track?
That
might be him that done went on through, y'all.
I think he done went on. We ain't gonna count her out, though. We ain't gonna count her out. Hell, let her do what she do. She might know something we don't know, Dan. She might know something we don't know. Did she get him? Damn, Booyah ain't cutting up today. No, it's a good day then. She killing a rabbit. Here, you got him? Oh, okay. Where you at? There you go. Booyah got another one, y'all. Where he came out at? You seen his butt tipping, didn't it? She got him over there, y'all. That girl cutting up today. I sure thought I hit him, but
I seen you hit it.
But I thought I flipped him, but then I thought he jumped.
Find him.
Help to the hell.
Booyah ain't kill her or nothing, dog.
We ain't playing today, boy.
Don't tell you hit it, boy. I seen you.
I'm gonna get them dogs.
Right.
Watch down through there, huh? Hang on. Hey,
Where you shot at?
Somewhere right along in here. Hang on. Wait. Hey.
I'm telling you,
Hang on, Jet. Find me here. Find Jet. Hang on. Find me here. Pick him up. Pick up in here. Pick up. Hey. Hang on.
there you go, he's coming out.
I don't even see him.
Come here, puppy, get out of the way.
Oh, I ain't worried about that puppy. Where he going? He going behind you, sweet?
Yeah, he coming this way. There you go.
Coming back in. Oh, no, he ain't. There you go. That's how I'm jumping his ass high as a boot. He flip-flopping it. Yes, sir. Oh, that's all right. You did the right thing. All right. Don't dog time over now. Yeah, I can tell what he was flipping upside down. He was headshot. I can tell that. Oh, yay! Look what she got in the hay, y'all. Whoa! Look at that daddy and daughter. Go there, give a sign to daddy, girl. I got your old camera over here. Hey, get him out. Don't do that. Don't take Mr. Dan Rabbit. Don't take his rabbits, y'all. Boy, we packing and stacking down here. That's all right. I love to see them rabbits flip-flop. Oh, Dan flip-flopping too, y'all. Dan flip-flopping. Yes, sir. Who say you got hood? Look here, huh? What you gonna do with it? Huh? That ain't my rabbit. That's your dad's rabbit. Yeah, your daddy killed that rabbit. I ain't killed no rabbit.
That's another rabbit, y'all. That's gonna be another rabbit.
Hey, y'all.
I get the same way y'all came to something. Yeah.
Yeah, but I was on there by myself. Wasn't nobody on there with me. Oh, let's go.
Flip sideways.
Hey, ho, y'all. Ho, y'all. We can keep on going this way. We ain't got to bag up. See? Hey, ho.
Hey, she went sideways. Man, we feel like slow motion.
Hey. Come on, bud.
Keep going that way.
Yeah, but we're gonna hunt this ditch all the way to the road.
It's canes down there.
I know there's a lot of cover down through here. Some rabbits on the ditch. We're gonna kill them. Hey, yee! Come on here. Ho.
Bob, I think you were right. I think she did jump around that.
I believe she did. Come on here. Oh. Hey, y'all. Look at here. I believe that's a jump. Don't let him come back, y'all. I think he up.
I thought he went backwards.
Huh? Don't y'all let him go that way. Don't let him go behind him. Somebody hold those back door sounded down.
Hey, who killed the rabbit?
That might have been the one I shot a while ago then. Yeah, that's the one I shot to kill. I ain't thought I got him. Ain't none caught him. They probably ate him up.
No, they ain't gonna eat him. My dog ain't gonna eat him.
Yeah, hey here, Dad. Dad, I got one now, Dad. Where you go, Dad? Where you go, Judy? There you go.
Yeah, you got. I that rabbit pop.
I thought I couldn't tell, Dad.
I was standing counter behind you.
When he ain't,
I said you hit that rabbit pop.
when he ain't laying while I shoot it, that make me think I ain't get him. I'm supposed to lay him on the spot.
Man, you laid him on the spot. He just stopped a little bit.
Did he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we was there right here.
It sure was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That showed him. Oh, I got one now. Got one for the giver.
When you shot, I seen him flip over.
Yeah, I thought that, but you know how I want to jump and you think you done got him.
I seen you. I seen you when you hit him. I said you hit that.
Yeah, I put the flip flop on him. Hey, get in the bush.
Flipped on down the hill.
Yeah.
That's what he did.
Hey, take down, y'all. Get in the bush. Have him out. Let's go, Cindy. Let's get 4 or 5 more off this dick. Let's get some more off this dick. Let's get in there. Let's get in there, Blind. I got to get it.
He gonna keep it running.
He gonna get. I told him I bought it for his limit today. Sweet.
Jason, call him to you over there.
Hey, call him. They show. Dead. Call him. Tell him dead. Call him dead over there.
Come here, Bronco. He ain't out there. Come here, Bronco. Come on, Bronco. I got the blue.
Oh, him.
Yeah. You know that black and blue tip when I got. That's a rabbit. That's a rabbit.
That booger that work there, boy. I've been watching him. Yeah, that booger that work.
Watch him.
They probably done jumping that now, y'all.
That cheesy boy, she be jumping them. I told she be on her belly up under that stuff, man.
Yes, sir.
She might be coming back on that one. He need one more, Pop. He got it.
Yes, sir. I ain't it.
One more, he got it.
I can see it. Boy, hey, Dan, when he was a kid coming up and I trained him, that time gun, he shoot and miss the rabbit, throw the gun in the bush. I tell you, don't get your ass and get that gun. I ain't lying, boy. He get mad, throw the gun away.
Hey, that's how she was.
Yeah.
She was like that. Like,
yeah.
She'll go home when we first.
Yeah.
You got your mouth
he shoot 100 times, kill 4
I
rats.
said, you not gonna get a rabbit every time we go.
Yeah, no way. No way.
I said, you keep trying, you gonna get them. Oh, you ain't gonna be able to tell her nothing today.
Yes, and then she shooting and got up the boy. She got something to talk about though, Dad.
She gonna look at her sister now.
What you said? That's what I'm talking about.
That's what my wife said. She said, "Oh, you ain't cutting up."
Yes, sir.
She cutting up.
She cutting up.
She told me. She said, when we go home with Papa Heard them again? I said, he already told me. Make sure I bring him. So
yeah. Yes, sir. Bring that baby, boy. And she love, boy. She can keep up with them dogs just right, too. Just take it. She do just right.
I said, is you hunting with us tomorrow? Who you hunting with? I said, Papa Heard them.
I'm glad she think of me like that.
Yeah, she do.
Yeah, boy, that's okay.
I told y'all, when I put this post up, I told y'all, I appreciate y'all, man. Cause most folks is selfish.
Yeah.
They won't let no child kill no rabbit.
Oh, no, man, you got to train a child. Shit, that's the only way you gonna make them like the game. That's like a kid fishing. If you take him fishing where you ain't gonna don't catch no fish.
Years ago, I was with a guy, he had his nephew out there, and he had these selfish guys hunting with him.
Yeah.
And man, the little boy had aimed up to kill the rabbit. Rabbit coming right at him. The dude shot past him and shot the rabbit.
Right in
and then
front.
gonna look at him, gonna say, I gotta eat too.
Oh my God.
I looked at him and then I looked at his uncle. I said, man, you see that? His uncle didn't say nothing. I said, man, ain't no way he could have did my child like that.
Yeah, right
man.
In front, and then he done lay down on the rabbit, kill his rabbit.
I gotta eat.
Yeah, come on, man.
That's what gonna feed you. Something wrong.
Boy, what you see?
Some folk don't look at kids like that though, Pop.
Yeah. No, I do. Man, I'm gonna put them out
What
front.
I tell you, I said, I don't care if I don't kill now, long as she get to kill.
Yeah. That's old Mercy, y'all better watch it, y'all. She liable on jumping. Stay down, man. Backyard bread, y'all. We packing and stacking. I'll kill y'all. Raining, misty, my glass, foggy. I gotta clean them all. I done took them off. Let it do it all day long. I ain't no fair weather hunter, no. Let me wear my lens off. Oh, I ain't no fair weather hunter. Ain't never been. I go in the 0 -2, and I'm still hunting. Y'all ever heard of 0 -2? That's me. I'm a fool. I do it all the time. Byers, Kennel. See, I ain't got my glass on. I can't see rain got me. There I go and putting them on again, though. Till they fog up again. Backyard bread. What we all to now?
I think she got 3.
Yeah, me and her got 3 apiece.
She shooting today.
Yes, Lord. Using her daddy gun. She ain't using her gun.
Yeah, right behind the house.
Right behind that house up there. It's getting better and better.
Yeah, went the other way.
Hell, I done seen 6 one to the
Man, to the house. You know what I'm saying? Like they behind the house.
I'm creeping that way. Look up, see that cookout.
Backyard bread, y'all. We're in location number 2, y'all. We done already finished up one little hunt. We're gonna try to finish up. It's 8 of us today, so we're gonna try to get an 8-man limit. 8 times 6 is what? Well, whatever that is, I can't count. I know what it is. I just playing. But we finna get that. We finna get that. We got what, 21 already. It ain't even 11 o'clock, and we finna try this second spot. See what happens. But I'm gonna put them on the tailgate the end of the day, huh? We're gonna put them. We're gonna put them on tailgate the end of the day, y'all. There's gonna be some rabbits in here. Bitch, Byers, come. Backyard bread.
Y'all need to go through.
Yeah. Man, he too far. Yeah, he too far out. For real. I'ma get him. Straight away, y'all. Yeah. I ought to have a rabbit coming my way. I done got in front of a rabbit on my four-wheeler, so he got to come through here somewhere. So if the dog stay on him, he shouldn't be past me. I should kill him somewhere right here in this trail. Yeah, but let's see what happened here. Might be because it's thin down through here. Like the water might have got up. I don't know. Yeah, let's go back the other side because this. Tighten down, Blind. Come on, Blind. Blind, come on. Come on, Blind. Come on. Come on, Blind. Come on. Come on here. Come on, Blind. Come on, Blind. Watch him, y'all. Damn. Here, Blind. He got by me. Knew that was him when Mercer opened her mouth. Run him, son. Hey, boy, let's go, son. Here goes now. They running this crazy song. right past you. Cause he running now. He wide open. He gonna come back, Boucher. Whee! Found him, y'all. What do you do? He done sat down on him somewhere. He getting ready to come back this way. Let him sit there, they'll find him. He probably done tipped back on that track, easing back through here. They'll look at his ass in a minute. Unless he found the hole. Cause he seemed like he had a destination. Boy, that booger, when I seen him, he was hopping them hills. I was like, man, I gotta find some kind of way. So I walked in, and that's when I glimpsed him going down that hill. That booger must went in a hole. All them dogs can't find him. He had to. Alright, that's what happened. They put him in a hole, too much pressure, he couldn't stand it. Backyard bred, baby. He got to go somewhere.
I told you they were flagging too hard right here. They were flagging too hard right there. I said, he's sitting down. What time I'm finna get him? It's a nut down there.
Yeah.
The nut came back this way when they were running.
Yeah, that's them two there.
Yeah, they gonna come, they hear them dogs, they come. It's just two dogs right there.
Where he go? Yeah, I'm looking for him.
No, he gonna go straight across the
I think he got him. He got him. In two? Gotta be two of them. Gotta be two of them. him, y'all. Y'all sure sound good on it. Push him to the limit, baby. Yes, sir. Push him. There he is. Y'all better watch him. He just jumped him. He just jumped him. That's him. He coming to you this way somewhere. Huh? Where you at, Blaine? He done jumped him and missed him. It's damn good. Nah, I'm just trying to use up these shells. Hey, coming back. Yo. Here he come, y'all. They down there waiting on him. All right, I know you're down there. Watch for him, he's sliding through there somewhere.
He's coming up now.
Is he? You seen him? He might be tipping back, y'all. Huh? Where you see him at? Watch blind. Is he going backwards or where? Gotta be two of them then. Huh? I'm right here top of this hill. Watch him, watch him. Start him jumping. He coming somewhere now. He run that water somewhere down there. He down there is that water. Hannah Gracie, watch him bagging up through there, y'all. That bugger slipping. He sliding, boy. He hit that bottom, man. Hold on, where you at? Where you at? Dang. This another one though. Which one you talking about? Oh, you seen it? Oh, two of them at the same time. There's three of them. Boy, they still. Did they get it? Rabbit run everywhere, y'all. We got rabbit rolling. I don't know. Yeah, they got him. All right, we doing good then. That's what I'm talking about.
That's his limit,
That's what I'm talking about. Who? Oh, Jason got him. Oh, oh, sweet.
They running 3 rabbits at one time.
Sweet Unlimited out. First main Unlimited out. Jason Brewer, Kennel.
They on the edge of the water.
Yeah, I know it. That's what I'm looking at. They run that water. They didn't want. It's another little ridge down there. A little rise.
They got one coming that way. You ain't Billy?
No, they got them. Unless they done jumped to nothing. How's it coming, baby? We started low. Gonna hit another little spot. Heading on in, heading on across. That was a big rabbit too. I hit that motherfucker dead in the ears, boy. Look at them ears. That's how I'm jump across it. God damn. Ain't I'm good, boy. Huh. Still got it, sweet. Come on, Jet, we ain't finna go. Come on. Woo! What all ain't over here? Come on, Pop. Come on, son. Come on, Pop. Pop, come on. Come on. Okay. Look around that motherfucker eye. I ain't got no goddamn hair. Got some Jumbo. Jumbo the man, y'all go. What they look like up there? Look like it all be 100 of them up there. Big old dipping down through here. Huh? No. Let me get on down here so I can get off this bike. Huh? What he said? Somebody did what? What is that? Foggy rain today. You running rabbit though. Hey, Dan. Hey, he just came back. Hey, coming up to you. He came in that corner down here. I don't know if it's two different rabbits or what. Right there, he shot it. Trying to see which dog was running them. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, Grace. Hey, 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 hey. Pick up Grace. Pick up Grace there. Pick up Grace. Hey, 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 hey. That's some Grace. That's some Grace. That's some girl. Hey, hey, oh, 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 hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 pick up, pick up, pick up. Woo! Yeah, it's a different rabbit popped out. Who? Come on, Jet. Come on, Jet. Trying to. I think this is the one they were running. Hey, 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 come Mercy. Come Mercy. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah.
Hey, Sweet. Tom, popcorn over that track there, you own? Yeah.
I don't know if he running that rabbit or what kind through here. Hey, 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 hey. Come here, blind, come here, blind, come here, blind. Hey, blind, hey, blind, come here, blind, come here, blind. Pick up blind. Pick up blind. Pick up. Come here, popcorn. Come on, pop up. Hey, blind, come here, blind. Pick up blind. Pick up blind. Hey, bud, come here, bud. Hey, pick up blind. Hey, blind, hey, blind, hey, pick up, bud. Hey, 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 blind, pick up. Pick up mine. Pick up mine. Pick up mine. That's some mine. Pick up. Pick up blind. That's some blind. Pick up mine. Pick up blind. That's him. That's some blind. Pick up. Hey, 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 come here, Star. Come here, Star. Hey, 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 pick up, Star. Hey, 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 pick up, man. Hey, bud, come here, y'all. Hey, y'all, hey, pick up. Pick up, mama. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up, y'all. Pick up in here. They ought to pick him up. Right here. Pick up, mama, dog. Pick up. Whee, pick up, y'all. There you go. Star got him. Star picked him up. That blind want a ball. You the first dog over here. Pick him up, Star. Whee. There might be another rabbit back there, y'all. Watch that. Pick up on Bunny. Bring him back this way. Bet you $100 he ain't gonna make it. Huh? Ain't it? Yeah, he came right to you. You could have popped him. It kind of came behind her. He ain't look that big though. Coming to y'all over there. Come on, troops. Watch them down there. Get on in there, Grace. Where you go, blind? Are you in the wrong spot, bro? We'll be down there. That's Stein. Who that? I thought I just heard him just came. Thought I just heard him open up.
Where they going, Doc?
They kind of right in here.
Like sliding in the grass right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Whee! Come on, y'all. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Whee! Hey, 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 hey. Who the emergency? Way up there. They up there. They ain't even in the race. That's probably why we need help. We need y'all down here. Whee! Whee! Man, what's on my clock? My
Pop, pop. Come on, coach.
I ain't seen him come up. You might have to find him one time to see where he at.
Come on, Popcorn. I thought I just heard him in that race in there then.
Huh?
I thought I heard him barking there one time. Huh?
He might be in there. I ain't seen him.
Whee! Come on, Popcorn.
Come on, Pop.
Yeah, he shouldn't be far. Thought I heard him in that bar. Hey, 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 come on, y'all. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey.
Go ahead, 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 go ahead.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Hey, 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 hey. Let them come on. Woo! Come on, y'all. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, y'all.
How far is Danny back there?
I'll be back up there.
Alright, y'all. I told you, boy, when I started this thing, something good was gonna happen today out here, all this mud and rain. Papa Byers came to town, y'all, but I bought Macklin, Kennel, Brewer, Kennel with me, baby. Let me see it all on film. Y'all get together, face me. I want everybody. I want this killing squad to be known. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the end, baby. Yes, sir. Look at that. Boy, ain't that pretty. Boy, ain't that pretty. In the end, baby, introduce yourself, my man. Let them know who else out here killing them rabbits. Tab.
Macklin Kennel,
What's
baby.
the Mac there, baby?
AJ.
AJ the man. Who's that right there? Everybody know who that is. That's baby girl there, y'all. Yes, sir.
Thomas Jr.
Thomas Jr., he said. Yes, sir. Everybody know. Bro. And then one and only. Oh, there. That's what we did. It took us to do it. But we got it done, baby. Big time. Big time. Byers Killer, baby. Like and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.